a hearty welcome to all of my big beauty hoes. We're going to do something a little different today, hopefully a little fun. We're going to do an unboxing, my first unboxing. So apologies that you're not going to see my face. I know, you're welcome. But we're going to do an unboxing of my favorite subscription box. I love the subscription box. I really don't understand why more people aren't subscribing, or maybe they are, and I just haven't seen it on the YouTubes. But this is the best subscription box. If you are a little bit of a smartass and have a little bit of sass, you'll still enjoy it. If you're like me and a huge smartass with a whole bunch of sass and maybe a little snarky, this is your jam. This is your jam. This is worth it. This is worth all the pennies. And you can order it as monthly, pay as you go monthly, or you can do a 6-month subscription in advance, pay it all in advance and save money that way. So without further ado, let's get into the box this month. This is the April 2022 Smartass and Sass subscription box. Woohoo! And the Smartass and Sass subscription box has quite a few options. You can get just the items, or you can get the big box, I think they call it, where you also get a t-shirt every month. And fun fact about Shannon of Wrinkles and Sprinkles Beauty, I love snarky t-shirts. Like snarky t-shirts and sweatpants, or a snarky t-shirt and leggings. That's my jam. That's my everyday look. That's how I roll. So this subscription box really helps me dress myself every day so that I have a nice, fresh, snarky t-shirt to put on every day. Gotta love it. Okay, so each month has a theme, and April 2022 theme is Guess Who Has Their Shit Together? Probably not me. And you get a nice little book, a little booklet. It tells about the month's theme. Then you'll get a list of the items that are in the box and where they came from and about the store. Here's more about some of the items in this month's box. More about the items in this month's box. And then it will show you your shirt. And QR code. So you can give feedback. You get discounts if you buy anything from their shops. They actually have like an online storefront, not like a brick and mortar storefront, but an online storefront where you can buy not only these items in this box, but you can also purchase gifts. Everything is snarky. I mean, everything is great, is what I'm saying there. All right, looks like, this month we got a free 30-day membership to Pilates on Demand. Ooh, guess who needs that? My butt. It does. Okay, so in the t-shirt, you get whatever size you want. I always get a large. I do not feel like I need any tight t-shirts or anything like that. So here is this month's t-shirt. Ooh, I love it. And I love the color, that like heathered rose color with this hot peachy pink. Yeah, level the F up, people. Get on my level. Nice. Love. All right, we're gonna dig through the confetti. So much confetti, why? Okay, next, we have some cute highlighters. We've got a hot bam and a Abso-fucking-lutely. It's my kind of highlighters right here. Yes, good stuff. Nice sticker. Turns out I'm tough as shit. I don't know what's wrong with being tough as nails, but hopefully tough as shit is tougher. Let's see. This bag says, "Hocus pocus, I need to focus." And inside, what is it? Let me dump it all out. Oh, it's so this piece of paper has seeds in it, so plant this in your garden. It has a couple of, I guess these are crystals. A couple of crystals in the bag, and some leaves. I'm gonna assume it's sage, but let's see if I can find what it actually is. To our handy dandy booklet. Says it's a ritual kit, rose quartz, selenite, sage leaves, I was right, whoop, and a wildflower seeded paper. Cool, cool. There you go. Little ritual kit. Cute, our spiritual AF. These cards are so fun and cute, and you can share them with people, like if you feel like they need them. These are always fun things to like take to the office, like if you work in an office or your work location. But 99 inspirational cards for people who fucking need some inspiration. But yeah, those are cute. What do we have? Look at the fucking moon. The universe is your sugar daddy. Dance like everyone else can go fuck themselves. That's hilarious. So these are cute, but snarky, so be warned. Ooh, what's this little baby? All right, we've got a Chill the F Out Relaxant Tranquility Dietary Supplement. Okay. It has cacao, coconut, ashwagandha, organic reishi, and peppermint. That kind of sounds kind of good. Oh, do not take if you're pregnant or nursing. Not sure why, but just follow the instructions. So the use, add a teaspoon to water, smoothie, or milk. Take daily for best results. Says it's a mood booster, increases focus, skin, hair, and nail support. That's always nice. And lower cortisol. I think we all know cortisol can cause or induce stress. So yeah, that's a good idea. See, cacao, coconut, ashwagandha. I know ashwagandha is supposed to relieve stress. I think reishi is as well. Yeah, I'll have to try this, see what it's like. I'd probably put it in milk. I'm not a big fan of mixing random things with water, but it sounds like it might make like a good chocolate milk type drink. Let's see what's next. Ooh. What do we have? Ooh, I think this is that pretty scarf that we saw. Let's see what's on it here, what the deets are on the scarf. It's very pretty light purple. And it says, bloom now, bloom free, rise again. Very pretty. This is the top part. There we go. The stars nodded, the ocean agreed, the flowers chorused. Very pretty, very pretty, very astrological if you like the stars. Love, love, love. Oh, and it's silk, so it's very soft, obviously. Very, very smooth and soft. Let's see, what is our little next treat? Our next treat is, and it says, a good laugh and a long sleep are the two best cures for anything. I would probably have to agree with that, especially the sleep part. Yeah, sleep. Let's open this baby up. whatever it is, there are 2. Ooh, these are silk pillowcases, y'all. How nice. Ooh, those are pretty. Like, they won't really match my bed sheets, but I don't really care. The one I have now doesn't either. But, oh yeah, those are super silky. And of course, you've probably heard the silk pillowcases like this are supposed to be better for your hair as you roll around in your sleep. They don't cause breakage, and the hair just smooths by, helps reduce frizz. Always nice. So there are 2 pillowcases in that bag. And I believe our last item. Oh yeah, yep. I agree with this 100%. Do not grow up. It's a trap. So let's open this up and take a closer look. That was easy. All right, do not grow up. It's a trap. Ooh, okay. It's a little tablet, but it's the, like, gridded. Interesting. I bet this is probably good for people who do the dot journaling or whatever. I don't have a tablet like this. I'm gonna have to give it a shot. Sweet. All right. So this is a short one, but a fun one because the Smartass and Sass box is always a good time. If anyone would like this pink confetti, give me a comment. Let me know. I will ship it to you. I don't know what I'm going to do with all this. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. And I hope I've sold you on the Smartass and Sass subscription box. So if I have, check the description box down below. And I will have the information on how to subscribe and get your own Smartass and Sass subscription box every month. And other than that, make sure you subscribe, boing, and like, boing. $10 says that was the wrong side too. I always do it backwards. Anyway, subscribe, like, share with your friends, watch all my other videos. I've got more coming. Whoop, 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 whoop. And talk to you soon. Bye.